What's up mga kaigala? We're going to Iloilo! Let's go to the famous talaga pag nandito ka sa airport, ang runway.
Aircraft now through gate 17 downstairs. For the rest of the passengers, please remain seated and wait for your owners to return. To all party passengers, please present your valid ID and boarding pass. For verification, check wait for flight boarding outside.
What's up mga kaigala? We're going to Iloilo. First time po namin. See you! Dinagyang Festival. Amen! Tapos kawanan. Sige, ready? Straight muna. Straight rin na. 1, 2, 3, go! Mga kaigala, we're going to Iloilo! What's up mga kaigala? It's my first time going to Iloilo.